Now fifth problem, one game is there, a game of chance game. मतलब consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1 to 8. This is one spinning. Spinning will be there like this. Okay. On that spinner, if you do spinner like this, the pointing will stop at one number. One of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are equally likely outcomes. Means chance of one is only one. Coming of one is one chance. Second, 2 is one chance. 3 is one chance. Like that. Equally likely events. What is the probability that it will point at 8? Solution. Probability of arrow at 8 is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes is equal to at 8 go to 8. How many 8s are there you see in this totally? Only one 8 is there. So 1 by total how many? 1, 2 up to 8. This much only. Don't get any confusion. Next, and all problems you can do. Probability of arrow at suppose instead of 8 he is telling 1 is equal to 1 means 1. How many numbers are there? 1 you see only one number is there. In one box only one number is there. So 1. Favorable outcome is 1 by total outcomes are 8. Like that stopping at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All answers will be 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. That's why they are called equally likely events. That is the meaning. Okay. Many questions you can find. Next, second bit what is doing? Probability of an odd numbers. Probability of odd numbers. That pointer stopping at odd numbers is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes is equal to odd. In this odd numbers you select. Odd numbers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7. Means the pointer may stop at 1 also, we don't know. It may stop at 3, it may stop at 5, it may stop at 7 also. So totally how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4. So favorable outcomes are 4. By total outcomes 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are is equal to 1 by 2. This is probability of pointer stopping at odd numbers. Many questions you can find. Probability of even numbers stopping at even numbers, favorable outcomes by total outcomes is equal to even means even numbers are. What are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are is equal to 1 by 2. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are like that. Same. Composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are what? 4, 6, 8. 3 are composite numbers here. Means probability of composite numbers is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes is equal to 3 by 8. These are composite numbers. Next is what? Multiples of 2, multiples of 3, multiples of 4, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means what? 2, 4, 6, 8. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 cases are there. 3 is here, 6 is here. How many? 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are is equal to 1 by 4. Multiples of 4. 4, 8. 2. Multiples of 5. Only 1. Multiples of 6. 1. Multiples of 7. Multiples of 8. 1. Like that. Okay. Many questions you can form. And odd number over. Next third bit is what? Probability of number greater than 2. Greater than 2 is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes Greater than 2 means it may stop at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. On greater also greater than 1. Greater than instead of 2, greater than 1. Say greater than 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases are there. Greater than 1 is equal to 7 by 8. Greater than 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 by 8. Greater than 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 cases are there, 4 by 8. Greater than 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 cases are there, 3 by 8. Greater than 6, 2 cases are there, 2 by 8. Greater than 7, 1 case is there, 1 by 8. Greater than 8, impossible event, impossible, 0. Greater than 8 means it is not there. He is asking that question, means that is impossible event. The answer is 0. Greater than 8. Over. With greater, many questions. Now, with less also. Less than 8. Less than 8 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the less than 8. 7 possibilities are there. 7 by 8. Less than 7. Less than 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cases are there. 6 by 8. Less than 6. Less than 5. Many questions you can find. Now, reader question with greater means this many. Less you can prepare. A number less than 9. Next is fourth bit, fourth problem here. I am doing here. Probability of number less than 9 is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes is equal to less than 9. 9 less than 9 means 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many? Less than 9 means all cases is equal to favorable 8. Total also 8. 8 ones are 8 is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. This is called sure event. Compulsory it is happening. Means less than 9 means all cases. Like that only less than 8, less than 7. Now one more question. What is the probability that the pointer stopping between question also? Suppose between question. Between 2 and 8. Between 2 comma 8. 2 is here, 8 is. Between 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 2 and 8. Leave 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is equal to favorable 5 by 8. Many types of questions you can create here. Perfect square numbers. Perfect square numbers. What are the perfect square numbers? 1, 4, 2 perfect square numbers. Perfect cube numbers. 1. Only one number. Perfect cube number. 1 perfect square means 1 into 1. 1 square. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. These are the perfect square numbers. Perfect cube numbers. 1 cube. 1. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125. Factors also, factors on based on factor. Many types of questions are here, but in this only 3 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 what means here? Stopping at 8 means 1 by 8. And odd number means odd numbers are from that 4 odd numbers 4 by 8. Next, a number greater than 2. Even numbers I have taken. Next, greater than 2. Greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 6 cases are there. Number less than 9, all cases. Okay.